As one walks into the walkway and through the entry foyer, and when you are at the entrance courtyard where you're welcomed by the light and the volume of the space, it just feels that it's a precious gem. Sandhya and Ramana were relocating from Australia. The functional requirements which they were very clear about was a spacious home, 3-bedroom kind of a requirement with a good spacious kitchen and an open puja. This is south of Bangalore, very quiet locality here which is yet to be developed. The plot faces a interesting strip of park, so we do not have a front neighbor. Plot also had very well grown, fully grown Indian cork tree in the corner, which kind of complements the home we have built. The initial idea was to have this garden space at the rear side. Also the garden space on the front. We initially go through this garden courtyard, and on your right as you enter is another green space pocket that we've created, and then we enter in, and we trickily do this space where the main door of the home is. As one walks into the entry courtyard, one is welcomed by the stone wall, which kind of takes your vision to the sky, and you all of a sudden notice that there is the glimpse of the sky from where you are. More towards the front of the home is the formal living space, which kind of detaches itself and creates that nook, which has a beautiful corner window which kind of gives view into the boulder landscaped area that we've created in the front. As one looks towards the left as one enters is the kitchen, puja and the dining areas. This home is designed at 3 levels. As you see here, this is the level where we enter into the house. This is the space right in the center which gets in a lot of sunlight for us. We move down to a level which is like the multi-activity space of the home. So there are 2 large bedrooms at the first level, and utility space which is well accommodated and designed for. So from the first level, we go up to the terrace space. Terrace has these parapet walls made of the terracotta jaalis. What happens when the air moves through this terracotta jaalis is the air pressure reduces, the temperature changes, and that kind of takes away the heat from the exposed surface of the terrace. So on the facade, we kind of see a panel of the pink stone wall, which comes around the corner. And the corner kind of opens up to look at the park from the inside. At a level above, you will start seeing the terracotta walls massing, floating at the higher level, which is over a car park area. We experimented with a lot of Indian stones, which is not very well known. They they make the space very unique by showing up as what they are. Each space is designed and developed and detailed, and they all come together as as an orchestra. And it is a continuation of one space onto the other.